Oh, hey everyone, Dean Searles here. On today's episode of 60 Seconds with ARC, the challenge is finding as-built, and the solution is coming up next. Everywhere we go, facilities teams are struggling to find as-built, and you probably have a room full of them yourself. We often hear, I'm working in this building, but the as-built I need are in my plan room 30 minutes from here. Driving and walking and searching through piles of papers. It all leads up to a lot of unproductive time. There's a better way, and it's as easy as checking the weather on your phone. Let me show you how it works. Start by launching the ARC Facilities app. Now tap on a building. I'm going to select Map View and First Floor. Tapping a colored shape instantly loads the complete set of as-built, and I'm done. Hey, now that you've seen how easy it is to find as-built, you might want to try it for yourself. You can download the app and learn more at arcfacilities.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.